Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the SPEAKERMAN from Skibidi Toilet. But before we get right into this video, I need to tell you about my website, TrentCardinal.com, where you can buy some of my merch. Now let's get right into drawing the SPEAKERMAN. Alright people, so the first thing I'm going to draw for our SPEAKERMAN is going to be the head. So if you've been watching Skibidi Toilet, their head is like a square, but it's not like boxy, it's like a curve right here. Next thing we're gonna draw is gonna be like the speaker part. So it's gonna be a big circle with a little tinier circle inside. Then right here it's gonna say T front thing. K. This can be a box of letters. You don't have to do this. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna be too hard. And this entire circle right here is gonna be like colored in. So you don't have the color in like perfectly, but it needs to be colored. And we're gonna make a circle in each corner. Then we're gonna make like a triangle shape, like a curved triangle shape. Color that in. Then we're gonna make another big triangle. We're gonna make a big triangle shape. Triangle, triangle, and like in between those, another triangle with two lines that get bigger, and from the triangle, and like just get bigger as you go out. Then right here, we're gonna make a line that goes down, goes to here, it's all the way over here. We're gonna stop, make a little space, goes up here, and then connects to there. Because right here, we're gonna make like a rectangle with a rectangle outline, two lines, rectangle-y box. Actually, don't make the rectangle-y box because we gotta make more triangles. Then you can make that weird box. And here we're gonna draw two buttons. Then, hold on, not yet that yet. Then we're gonna make a line that goes all the way down here, all the way down here. Sorry about my dog. And we're just gonna I'm gonna make a line that goes down here to right there, and I'm gonna have to shorten that box right here. Then we're gonna make that kind of same shape right there. And then you can make the fingers in any way. And right here we're gonna make a line that goes all the way up here, stop, then goes to there because you gotta make the weird box. Then the two lines, but this time there's no buttons or weird box. I'm gonna make a line that goes down to right there. That hand in any shape you want. And I'm gonna make a line down there. Goes all the way down there. Make a little space in the middle for like the legs. Then right there. Then this part will be your own part. So you can make him have headphones, which if you do, then keep watching. If not, then just wait or like skip a couple of parts. So I'm gonna be drawing two rectangles, another tiny rectangle on top of it, a big line across connecting to each one, and you have to draw the headphones. Alright, for those who waited or like just didn't, and like for those who did, weight or who made the headphones, you're gonna make them a little shorter for the people who did, because that is too big. There we go. Okay, for the people who did, outline everything. Well, you can have to. I got these new markers for Easter called Biano Sketch Liner. And since there's so many black spaces to color in, I'm gonna be using my regular Biano markers. So, just get right into this outlining. And then I'll show you what colors you'll need. Alright people, once you're done outlining your SPEAKERMAN, you're gonna grab these following colors. It's not gonna really, I need to erase all of those pencil lines that I have created. Alright, this is what your SPEAKERMAN outlined should look like right now. Now time for the coloring. So I'll show you what colors you need. Mainly a gray, darker gray, and another gray if you're shading. I need to color in one more thing. Alright, that will be all your colors. Gray. I know. He's pretty much just really to have colors, but who knows? He's still really cool in the series. Alright, I'm going to be like shading right now, and I'll tell you guys what to do when you're done coloring. Start coloring. Alright people, this is what your SPEAKERMAN should look like. Don't forget the sign at the end if you wanna. This is what your SPEAKERMAN should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.